Good morning, good morning. Here I am, Lady Wisdom Speaks and Catherine's Garden. I am at Home Depot because I want to look around and see what they have. I want to see if they have any roses, the bare root roses, and also to just look at the garden center. I am so anxious to really get started on this. So we'll see what happens. And so come with me as I go into Home Depot. So here I am at Home Depot, and I just want to see what's going on here and to see how things are going. And so I can see a lot of plants out and things. So let's enjoy this visit. There are pallets and pallets of mulch out here, which is pretty cool. And then also I can see some fruit trees available. And look at these trees, weeping, cherry pendula trees, and the apple trees here. It's just a whole lot of good stuff. Plum trees, and we have a lot of shrubs, evergreens. I'm just gonna have to take a look and see what I would like to. Look at this one. This is nice. Oh, look at that. Cypress. Now, I really like these. Now, before, in the past, these arborvitaes, you know I love arborvitaes. They weren't $11.98. They were more like $6. But, you know, with inflation and everything, it seems like things are just, of course, increasing. But they look so healthy and nice. Let's walk over here. Look at the different trees. Trees for shade. Oh, the assortment is really good. Then they have the flowering trees here. The apple trees. Now I like this. Look at the apple tree. It's already, what they call it? Espalier fruit trees. But anyway, they're already set up to spread. Isn't that nice? 7 potted varieties, $49.98. Yeah, the $49.98. Okay, and then here, I remember when I bought mine from Lowe's, and they were like half price. It's $14.98. It's so good to buy in the spring, it seems. My rhododendrons. Go. These are looking really good. Forsythias. You know, I've always wanted to have one of these in my garden. The first spring color, because they have these yellow blooms. And the yellow blooms look so good with the daffodils to make that kind of arrangement. But it's $20. They look good. Everything looks so fresh and nice. And then we have the azaleas. Remember I planted those azaleas last year? But I think what I'm going to do is what is this? Dianthus. Look at these ones. Look at this. This is so pretty. I like the yellow tips. They're pretty. Ah, here we go. Knockout roses. And then we have this one. What is this? Heath. Wow. The choices are endless. Look at the pansies. The pansies are ready for us. Wow. And they have them in baskets. They're pretty. $7.98. This is a pretty basket. Let's see what else they have. Look at those purple ones. I like this one right here. Perennials. What is this? Anemone. Dianthus. Yeah, dianthus remind me of carnations. What is this? Lupin? Lupins. I had grown lupins in my garden in the past, and I did it from seed, and they came out so good. $14.99. This is really pretty. I love this one. Anemone, Pandora blue. Well, here are the roses. They seem to be pre-potted. Floribundas, hybrid teas, $11.99. Queen of Flowers, hybrid teas. Double Delight. I saw that before. Queen Elizabeth. I've never seen them before in these plastic containers like this. Usually they are just in like plastic bags. And then they have these here for $8.99. I wonder what's the difference. Still says the Queen of Flowers. This is a climber here. Still banded up. So I guess they don't want you to really touch it just yet. This side. I like this one here, Moon Dance. Need to get my carriage. I'm not sure if I really want to get that. We'll see. I was thinking of growing potatoes and onions, and here they have the potato starts, the onion sets. Isn't that interesting? I can get that. Strawberries, garlic. I think I'm gonna try something. Maybe the onions? I don't know. The seed potatoes. $3.99 for 10. Just put them in the ground and see what happens. Oh my. And then of course the seeds. And all of the different seed packets. Oh wow. And they have the organic seeds here. It's curious. Sweet peppers. This is the burpee seeds. I should say. Here are the organic burpee seed packs. Look at the different sunflowers and the flowers. The herb section. Section. The choices. I think I'm going to get some nasturtium. Definitely. A pack of nasturtium. Maybe I get 2 packs of nasturtium. I like the idea of the nasturtiums growing amongst the flowers. I have plenty of zinnias. Container of sowing. The starter gardens. I just love this. After being at the flower show last week, to be here at Home Depot and seeing all of their different plants. Look at this fig. It's just awesome. These other plants here. Wow, how exciting. So I'm leaving out with this. This is what I purchased. The rose, the onions, garlic, the mulch, and I'm saying goodbye. Thank you for coming with me to Home Depot. It was fun looking at all of the different plants and flowers. Such an inspiration. And I'm glad that I purchased this climbing rose, Westerland. And I put it in the ground right away because it's going to rain tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to Catherine's Garden. Bye.